It's at that perfect time of the day where the sun is like peeking through my blinds, and so yeah, that's what that little dot is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another beauty box unboxing video. I have really enjoyed filming these for you, so I hope that you enjoy watching them. I personally love watching unboxing videos, so maybe it's a me thing. Today we're talking about a beauty box service that I personally had not heard of until they reached out to me, and it's called the LookFantastic box. It is actually a UK based brand, and that makes me really excited because the potential of having different brands of makeup inside this box that I had never heard of before or haven't tried before really excites me. I've noticed with a lot of the other box services, you tend to get brands and products that you've already tried before, but with something like this, I have a feeling it's going to be brands that I probably haven't tried before. So something to consider if you are looking for a new subscription service box, or maybe you're wanting to gift it to somebody for like Christmas or something like that. So let's talk a little bit about how much LookFantastic costs before we open this box and see what's inside. So if you want to do just 1 month at a time, it is $19 a month. If you want to buy 3 months at a time, it's $18 a month. 6 months at a time, it's $17 a month, or you can buy 12 months, so a whole year subscription, and then end up being $16 a month. They did give me a special offer to you guys where if you do sign up for their 12-month subscription, your first box is only $1. So if that sounds exciting to you, then go ahead and access it through my link down below. But other than that, it's just a goodie box filled with 6 makeup products that usually total around $60 retail value, sometimes a little bit more than that. So this is their November box. Here's what it looks like. Really nice quality box. I know that's kind of silly, but I kind of like to keep these boxes. This would make a really good gift box, like for Christmas. It is orange inside. It gives me like Tory Burch vibes with the coloring. I'm gonna look at this really quickly to see what's inside. So this is the Firecracker Edition box, November 2020. Ooh, and it looks like this tells me what's in the box. So I don't really want to spoil anything, but a nice little booklet here. Okay, let's break the seal, open it up. Okay, so the first thing in here is by the brand Philip Kingsley. Never heard of that brand before, so I'm excited to try something new. This is their Bodybuilding Shampoo for fine, limp, or flyaway hair types. Actually, I glanced down and I was gonna say I do prefer when boxes give you a shampoo and a conditioner at the same time, so you can kind of try out the whole line, and this one does. So it gives you the shampoo and the conditioner. Since I've never heard of this brand before, I'm actually going to look them up and see how much something like that costs. Okay, so this definitely appears to be a more luxe shampoo and conditioner brand. It looks like their shampoos, a small bottle is $15 and a large bottle is $85. That seems to be in the range of like maybe like Living Proof kind of. Doesn't really have a scent to it, but that's probably a good thing. Okay, next thing in this box is by the brand Noah Bay. Natural and Organic Detox Unpolluted, what is this? Oxygen Light Cream. Okay, I cannot figure out what this is for. I'm gonna look in the little thing to see. Okay, the little pamphlet that comes with the box does say that this is for your face, so it's a facial moisturizer. It's lightweight and it's supposed to make your face not greasy. It's made with green tea, aloe vera, and raspberry to help regulate your skin's moisture. So this is a pretty decent size for a facial moisturizer. A full-size bottle of this right now on their website is $21, originally $26, so not too bad. Again, a very light scent. Nothing too overpowering. Okay, next thing in the box looks like a micellar water. And that's exactly what it is. It's by the brand Polar, and it is a micellar cleansing water. The bottle is really super cute, you guys. This is just like, I don't know. Oh, it has a little flip top on it. Okay, so it looks like a full-size bottle of this retails for about $25, and it says it's made with something called Arctic cotton. Never heard of that before, but it looks like it does just what every micellar water does. It takes your makeup off. I love the cute little bottle. Okay, next thing in here, it looks like it's a lipstick. I cannot for the life of me pronounce this brand name. It looks like it's Mina, M-I-N-A, but the M is like sideways, so maybe it's like Thrina. This is called their Longwear Lipstick, and it's in the color 502. Packaging reminds me of like Wet n Wild packaging. Oh, you twist it. Oh, that's cool. That excites me. I thought it was a, ooh, it smells like raspberries maybe? not typically what you would expect a lipstick to smell like. Okay, it's a liquid lipstick. I was expecting a stick lipstick for some reason. That's a really pretty color. Okay, so it looks like it is Thrina, 3INA is the brand name, and these are sold actually at Macy's. So yeah, Macy's or LookFantastic is kind of where I'm seeing with my Google search, and they retail for $14.50 each. It does say that it is a long wear lipstick, doe foot applicator, highly pigmented. Yeah, so right there alone, this pretty much pays for the box itself. It's really pretty. I kind of wish I wasn't wearing lipstick so I could put it on because it's really pretty. That smells, it's almost like raspberry licorice. Looks like I have a couple more things in here. So the next thing I picked up is by the brand Lord & Berry. Never heard of this one, and it looks like it's an eyeliner in the color Dore number 230. It's gold. Interesting. So it looks like Lord & Berry is also available at Macy's, and these retail for $10 full size. I doubt this is full size. This is probably like half size. But it does say that these are intensely pigmented, long-lasting, buildable, creamy, and that they can be like blended out with your finger. Oh yeah, they definitely can be blended out with your finger. This is a really pretty color. I do kind of wish it was like a dark brown or a black, but it is kind of cool to get colors like this in subscription services because I wouldn't typically purchase like a gold eyeliner. Okay, last thing in the box is by the brand This Works, another brand that I've never heard of. It looks like This Works is sold at a lot of places, Nordstrom, Ulta Beauty, dermstore.com. Yeah, so Amazon. So it looks like this brand is a little bit more popular. I just have never heard of it before, so I'm glad I get to try it out. This is their in-transit camera close-up, and a full-size bottle of this retails for $68. So definitely a more luxe skincare brand. This is their mask, moisture, and primer. Wait, mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one? Interesting. I've never heard of something being a mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one. I have a feeling it's very likely just like a moisturizer type thing, because a mask is something you typically wash off, you know, before you do the rest of your skincare. It smells good. It smells really good, actually. It just has like a fresh, clean scent to it. It just feels like a thick moisturizer. This is one of those things I'd be really tempted to try on like a no makeup day, you know, because I don't know, a mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one sounds a little different. All right, guys, well, that is all that is in my LookFantastic box. This was really fun, and it's really cool that I got to look at a bunch of brands. I had never heard of not one of these brands in this box before, so that really excites me. No duplicates. Everything is like new and exciting. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this, and I hope that maybe I introduced you to a brand new beauty box service if that's something that you're looking for. If you have any questions or comments, of course, you know exactly where to leave them, but other than that, I'll talk to you guys next time. Mwah.